like to welcome you to ABC Balancing Beads for Motorcycles instructional video on the correct procedure for installing ABC balancing beads into a tire through the valve stem without having to remove the tire and wheel from the motorcycle. Our tempered glass beads are specially coated to repel moisture, avoid clumping. Our memory technology provides many benefits over other balancing methods in the marketplace today. Other internal balancing methods are free-flowing, meaning when the vehicle comes to a stop, the internal balancing agent falls to the bottom of the tire, leaving the vehicle in an out-of-balance state until speeds of 40 miles an hour or greater are reached once again. ABC balancing beads are not free-flowing. And from the moment the beads are placed in the balanced position, our unique memory technology stabilizes the beads in place, keeping the bike completely balanced for the life of the tire. The installation of ABC balancing beads can either be done at the time of new tire installation or injected through the valve stem on existing tires in 5 easy steps. Step 1, remove the wheel weights from the wheel. Step 2, remove the valve core. Step 3, pour the ABC balancing beads into the injection tool reservoir. Step 4, place the chuck on the valve stem, attach your air supply, and slightly open the air valve lever while rotating the injection tool. Step 5, once the beads are completely installed, remove the air supply and chuck from the valve stem and install the valve core. Air up to the proper PSI and go for a ride. You'll be completely balanced and continue to be balanced for the life of the tire. A completely balanced tire and wheel assembly provides many benefits. Even tread wear, extended tire life, cooler running tire temperatures, and no stick-on wheel weights, just to name a few. Thank you for allowing us to share some of the benefits and advantages of ABC balancing beads for motorcycles. Check us out at abcbalancingbeads.com. I urge you to give it a try. You won't be disappointed, we guarantee it.
ABC